Hello guys, I'm gonna make a bird nest today. So all you have to do is make a round ball,
basically. Okay.
Okay?
So you start with like some hay. You do this and
Yep.
you just curl it into a ball.
Mhm.
Okay. Sounds pretty.
It's true.
basic.
And then you put it on your table, and then you make it flat.
Okay.
Shush. Okay. And this is. You can watch this video next time.
Boy. She doesn't know how this stuff works.
And you get a little bit of
No.
hay. Get a little bit more of hay. Then you make a round circle, but you don't make it round.
Well, that's her way of making a nest. My way of making a nest is to just keep adding to the circle. She makes hers way too big.
I did not do that, partner. Why are you standing up? This is a video.
I had a lot of hay on me.
Watch Rowan.
That's my bird's nest. I messed it up.
And here's our bird nest. Our bird nest is like Rowan.
Becca, is this your bird nest?
Yeah, I didn't want to make it.
Okay.
And that's our video today.
No, it's not. It's a really short video, and that's not over there. So.
I know it's not over.
So what we're going to do, we're going to take this bird's nest.
I'm gonna make it.
So Becca's going to make another bird's nest for you guys.
A better one than this. Well,
Better one than this. And while she's doing that,
hi guys.
I'm
And
going to
I'm
take
gonna make a bird
this one right here. Just gonna
I'm gonna
to the
Careful
fire.
when you're playing it.
Oh, wow, what are you doing?
As you can see there.
You want to see a big fire.
No.
Look at this big fire. You want to see it? Look. Is that cool? Cause what are you doing?
You like this big shot, aren't you? I'll be on the TV.
Okay, I feel like we should pick up all this hay though.
What are you gonna do with it?
I don't know. Gonna do something with it, yeah. I guess throw it in the fire. Why not? Becca, stop.
I'm good.
No.
Let me do it.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
So, guys, our video's almost done.
It's only 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
No, we only have only been on for 3 minutes.
For a classic video, you must have
Okay.
at least 5 minutes for keep your audience entertained.
Most videos are 13 minutes. But
Hey!
So, guys, you want to see a fire again?
no, probably not. Well, they probably do, but
You do?
they don't want to see that. So we gotta
You
give
want
them
to see
a
our
show.
fire again?
We gotta give them a show. Wait, Becca, we gotta give them a.
You want to see a fire again?
Yeah, they want to see a real fire. They don't want to see this.
You want to see a real fire? Okay, let's see a real fire.
Becca.
This is a real fire.
Yeah.
Right here is a real fire. So, you want to see it? Stop.
Becca, don't make her lean back. Her hair will catch fire.
I know.
You're going to drop that tablet.
Fire.
Careful.
Fire.
And look at that hay.
Stay back.
That's fire. That's fire that we did earlier.
And look up. This real fire. Who wants to see it next time on the next? So,
If you like, subscribe.
and this is our video today.
Wait, there goes the fire.
And we're done. We're gonna take it. So, guys,